Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub Copilot settings step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for GitHub. Press the Enter key to load the website. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your GitHub username or email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Click the Sign In button to log into your account. Once logged in, locate your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the GitHub Copilot option on the left sidebar. Click on GitHub Copilot to access its settings. Here, you can view and modify your Copilot preferences. Adjust any settings as needed based on your preferences. Make sure to save any changes you make. You have successfully logged into GitHub Copilot settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.